Okay, please attention guys. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning guys. How are you today? Okay, I'm fine too, thank you. So, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. So, I want Salsa to lead the prayer. Please, Salsa. Okay, thank you, Salsa. So, I want to ask, is there anyone who absent today? Oh, okay. So, no one is absent today. Good job. So, last meeting, we have learned about procedure text. And today, we are gonna learn about recount text. I wanna ask you guys, have you ever go on a vacation? Yes, okay, yes. I believe every one of you ever go on a vacation at least once in your life. And so, I wanna ask Salsa, have you ever go on a vacation?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so where did you go?
I went to Jakarta.
And what did you do there?
I was walking around Malioboro City.
Wow, good job. And how did you feel during your vacation?
I felt happy.
Okay, so what has Salsa said already? Tell a brief about recount text. And why should we learn about recount text? Do you know? No or not? No. No?
No.
Okay. So we learn recount text because recount text will help you to tell your interesting story to be more interesting. For example, like if you want to be a reviewer on social media or for example, like on TikTok or on Instagram, like you can use this skill, this recount text skill to be to tell your story in more interesting way. Okay, so let's go to the learning objectives. So today's learning objectives are you guys are expected to be able to define the recount text and then mention the language feature, explain the generic structure, and make the example of recount text. Okay, so the learning objective in line with the outline, which are the definition of recount text, language features, generic structure, and the example of recount text. Next, we are moved to the definition. So, recount text is a text that tells about past experiences or past events. Jadi, recount text adalah teks yang menjelaskan tentang pengalaman atau kejadian di masa lalu. So the keyword in this material is past experience. What is it? Past experience. Okay, good job. Now next is the language feature. So first there is past tense. So we're talking about the past experience. Of course, we use past tense. So there are some example of past verb when visited. So, Reva, please can you mention one example of past verb? What? What? Okay, good job. Big applause to Reva. Okay. Next one is action verbs. So action verbs are verbs that show physical activity such as played, ate, drove. And the last one is time connectives. And time connectives is to link the events. So another keyword in this material is chronological order. So to make it chronological, to make the recount text chronological, we need to use time connectives such as first, then, after that, later, and finally. Next is the generic structure. So the generic structure of this recount text basically have three parts. First, orientation, and then second, events, and the last is reorientation. First, there is orientation. So you need to mention who, when, and where, and also what in your orientation. So, um, Salma, can you read the example?
Last month, I went to Jakarta with my family. We went there by train. It was my first time visiting the city, and I was very excited.
Okay, good job, Salma. Next is the events. So, as I mentioned earlier, so the events, you should write your activities in chronological order. So to make it chronological, we use time connective such as first, then next, and finally. You can look at to the slide. And the last one is reorientation. In reorientation, we should mention the summary or comments about the events or your feelings about your vacation, such as enjoyed in the slide. And now we move to the example. So please, guys, look at to the slide. I wanna ask questions about the example. Let's answer together, right? Okay? Okay. So, when did the writer go on their vacation? When? Okay, good job. And how did the writer feel about their vacation? How? Okay, good job, amazing. Give applause to us for us. Okay, so we move to the group discussion. So, this class will be divided into some group, and each group consists of 4 members. And the instruction is, in your group, I want to every one of the member of the group share their personal experiences and then write it in a paper. Don't forget to include the orientation, events, and reorientation. And then after that, you should choose the best interesting story to be presented in the front of the class. Is it clear? Okay, so you have 30 minutes to discuss your presentation. And don't forget to choose one representative of your member of your group to present your discussion. Is it clear? Okay. Now the group formation is that please first row in this side to flip your chair to face the second row. Okay. Please do it. Okay. And then first, this is first group 4, and then second group 3 members only. And then this group, can you please make a circle? Please do it quickly. Okay, so this is first group, second, and then third group. Okay, so the group formation is done. I will give you the worksheet. Okay, so the discussion is begin. Do you have any difficulties? Okay. Do you have any difficulties, guys?
No.
Okay, good job. Do you have any difficulties? Okay, good. So the discussion is over. I wanna uh, group 1 to present your discussion. Please, group 1. Okay.
Last weekend, my family and I went to Bali. It was our first visit there, and we were very excited. We left home early in the morning and arrived around 9 a.m. It was a wonderful day and we had so much fun. I hope we can visit the beach.
Okay, so the group one already the recount text in group one already consists of the generic structure, which is what? Can you mention?
Orientation,
Yes,
event, and
reorientation. Okay, good job. And can you mention the reorientation?
The orientation is it was a wonderful day and we had so much fun. I hope we can visit the beach again next holiday.
Okay, excellent. Can you give applause to Salsa and group one? Salsa, please have a seat. Okay, so please guys, can you flip again your chair to face me? Okay. Okay, so let's review our material today. So, what we have learned today, we learned about, okay, so recount text is a text to tell about past experience. Okay, so what are the generic structure of recount text? First, second, and intention. Okay, good job, guys. And so, how do you feel about our lesson today? Happy. Okay, good. And do you have any difficulties during our lesson? No. Okay. So next week we are gonna learn about narrative text. So please be prepared. Okay. Okay. So before we finish our class today, let's pray together. I want Risma to lead the prayer. Okay, thank you, Risma. So, thank you guys for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.